Rhea, what's going to happen?
Daddy's going to do some fireworks.
Daddy's doing fireworks?
Yeah. That's a lot of work, Max.
Is it a lot of work to do those fireworks?
White buddies? Yeah. See my dad?
Yeah, I see your dad.
I see your dad.
See your dad? Oh, fireworks. Cool fireworks.
Shoot it, Daddy, shoot it.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa! Into the trees.
Wow. That's kind of cool.
That can keep the squirrels away.
Oh, back.
Backfire?
No, it hit and bounced back.
Hit the deck.
No, it hit the tree branch and bounced back, like hitting a ball.
Oh, it's already done?
How was it?
That's only one.
That was fast.
Now we can do another
Oh, I hear
one.
guys. Listen, I can hear other people's fireworks.
Yeah.
Here. Hear it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's over. 1, ooh, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Wow! That was scary.
1. Yay! Happy New Year! Shut up!
Can we do another one?
I think they're all done. Who's stinky socks, Max?
Okay, DJ, tell me what you're going to do in 2011.
Off and I put mine on.
What are you going to do?
I'm gonna get a hamster and I'm gonna name it.
Wait, Rhea!
Drive safely.
Max, what are you going to do in 2011?
Get an Xbox.
No, you got to say something you're going to do to be a better person.
Be a better person.
By how?
Be a better person.
By doing what?
By doing things. By having a birthday.
No more supper.
Okay.
What are you going to do in 2011?
I'm gonna buy a hamster, and it's gonna be a golden hamster, and I'm gonna name it Sweetie.
And how is that going to make you a better person?
Because I'm gonna have a loving friend.
Rhea, what are you going to do in 2011 to be a better person?
I forgot.
Are you going to clean your room?
Mom, you didn't just jump on me.
Max.
My room's already clean.
DJ?
Are you going to keep your room
no more,
clean
no more
all
candy,
year?
No more, come on, it's way too late for this stuff.
You're going to keep your room clean all year?
Yes.
Let's get to bed right now.
Finn, what are you going to do in 2011?
No.
Are you going to go poopy on the potty?
Hello.
Get to bed, please, right now.